Hi. Imagine sitting with your colleagues in a meeting trying to speak English, but your mind goes blank. You fumble with words, you feel nervous, and you have a fear of being judged that stops you from even trying. So, if you have felt that English is a roadblock in your success, then stay with me. Lately, I have been getting a lot of requests, like, Ketki, please help us to improve in our communication because we want to go to the next level. And also, I have realized that while we are working in corporates, dealing with so many people, whether it is senior management and everyone, if we really want to excel in our corporate lives, we need to be good in our vocal and our written communication. So English is a global language and we definitely have to improve on that. So you can start with these 7 steps to improve your English. Yeah. So step number 1, stop translating. Start with simple small thoughts which are in English. So instead of thinking mujhe pani chahiye, you can say that I need water. Gradually your brain adapts. Think about every article, every object that you are seeing in English. Number 2, surround yourself with English. So, for an example, did you know that Shah Rukh Khan improved his English by watching Hollywood movies and watching or reading newspapers rather? So watch Netflix and watch with English subtitles. Yeah, listen to podcasts like The English We Speak. Number 3, think about all the situations pertaining to your daily course, your work, your leisure time, everything. It has to be in English. So work on your paragraphs, check your grammar. That is very important. Number 4, record yourself and check yourself in the video. Number 5, try to develop friends who have a good vocabulary. And number 6 is read books which will add new words, new phrases to your vocabulary. So you can start reading with simple books called The Alchemist. Yeah. Number 7, subscribe to different channel like mine to who give you actually a lot of inputs to improve on your vocabulary. So I challenge you, for the next 7 days, follow these steps and I promise that you will see a difference in your English fluency. So if you do this, you will be able to find out your mistakes, you'll be able to find out how confident you look. Also, you'll be able to, see what fillers do you use. Like there is which we use in between, which have to be avoided to speak English effectively. And coming to the last part, I'm sure that you are getting a lot of video values, yeah, through my videos. So before I conclude my video, I have one more thing to say, that now I give a lot of value, content, inputs to you to improve yourself. You can definitely include them in your vocabulary to improve. Yeah, but there's one problem, that is my one video, I am not able to solve all the individual queries that you have. For that, you need to be a part of my mentorship, which is on communication mastery. In this program, I have workshops every week on related subtopics by which you can learn a lot of things. There are assignments, videos, role plays, and I solve all your queries. So you get a structured content, and most importantly, you get my time. So you have to become a part of communication mastery program for my mentorship. And you can reach out to me separately on Success Lifestyle Hub 01@gmail.com. You need to invest your time, your money, and you have to be responsible, yeah, to your mentor. So get that knowledge, get the resources to master English so that you can take yourself to the next level. So I'm always committed to create content to empower everyone. So like, subscribe and share my video so that we can empower others together. Thank you so much.